about what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come.
Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm Stephanie if you're new here. Today I'm going to share with you guys a recipe I found on Pinterest. I'm going to have Miles help me with that. And then also I'm going to clean out this fridge right there and then the fridge out in the garage. I like to get that cleaned up before we do our grocery pickup order, and that's going to be in the next week. So I want to have that cleaned out. And we are in the beginning of August right now, and in the next week or so we're going to be going camping. So I'm going to do my grocery haul actually before we leave, and I'm going to get everything that I need to go on that camping trip. So we are going to get that cleaned out today. I also shared with you guys in the beginning of the video a coffee maker that I got, so that's going to be fun to have and play with. You guys know that we do a lot of different drinks and coffees with our other coffee machine, or like instant coffee and stuff like that. So we like coffee here. For me, it's more of a treat and a dessert. For Lauren, he usually drinks it every morning. So with this extra coffee maker, we're just gonna have fun with it, and we'll get some of them little cup things to go with it. But you can do two different ways with using that coffee machine. You can put grounds in it, or you can put the little K-Packs, I think they're called. So this company wanted me to share with you guys this little portable coffee maker. So maybe even when we go camping, we could take this one with instead of the other one. I'm not sure if Lauren would be up for that or not, because he has everything measured out a certain way, the way he makes his coffee. All right, so let me just share with you guys our fridge. We are like I said, in the beginning of August. We pretty much made it the whole month without having to get a lot of extra groceries. It was more fill-in stuff. So this is what it looks like right now. I have all of my kids' snack things are all empty. I think I just have some leftover foods and stuff in there that I need to take out. So anything that's going to be taken out of the fridge is going to go to the pigs or the chickens. So we don't have anything that's really going to be wasted. In the past, we used to just throw things out. But everything in here is pretty good to the most part. And I don't think I have to throw out a lot of stuff. And then down in my freezer here, we have everything down there. And I will share with you guys some stuff when we get to that point. So later, I'm going to be doing a video, I don't know when, coming out soon, on something that I'm going to be making that I've made in the past. And I'll kind of share that with you in a little bit. But so we mainly have to just straighten it out, wipe it down, and get it ready for when I do groceries. So if I leave my fridge door open so long, it gives me a little bell ring to let us know that we need to shut the door. But so in here, I just noticed today that there is a bunch of bacon bits, crumbs all over the place in here. So pretty much for the most part, some of this is still good, some of it is not, and we're just going to go through it and get rid of what we don't use anymore. we have a lot more yogurt than usual, like the Go-Gurts. So I just put a bunch of the yogurts up there. I don't have a drawer right now because this is for the vegetables, and then these are them little snack pack things. And then on the side here, I still have to wash down this shelf right here, but we usually put our butter and stuff here, and then I have my soda right here. And then we usually store our milk, drinks, and all sorts of things in here. And then bread we put in here, and then extra eggs that we just aren't using or whatever, them just go there. But this is usually the one that we keep, or this is the fridge that we have outside. And then the freezer up there, I'm not even going to clean that out because we have everything like packed in there, and I need to, let's see if I can show you. So we have a lot of food and stuff in there right now, and I don't have room for that if I were to like rearrange where it goes. So I'm not going to worry about that right now, but this is our main area where we put everything, and then the fridge inside is where we put everything. So as long as these two fridge and freezers are cleaned out, that is good. And then we have 3 other freezers and stuff off to the side in the garage here, and then I think Lauren's going to be hooking up another one. I'm not sure. So we are good for space when it comes to freezers. It's just mainly our fridge when we want or when we get extra food from our groceries. So this is pretty much done. I just, like I said, I just have to clean that one shelf, and then I'm done out here. All the wet ingredients first. So sour cream, oil, and eggs. So you need 2 eggs. You can help with some of it. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Yeah, let her have that. And she can do that. And then you're gonna add and then put that in there. And then a little bit of salt. Okay, now you can mix it. No, he's gonna mix it. Yes. Nash is in there, so you're gonna be very quiet.
You could do rhubarb cookies.
But we have to do a teaspoon of baking soda.
You could do rhubarb cookies, like cut them really small, but it'd be like raisin cookies, but like instead of raisins, rhubarb.
Yeah.